In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Brother MFC printer is printing blank pages. Even if your printer does not look like this one, it works with any MFC models. So the easiest thing you can try is to simply go in the back and unplug the printer from the wall outlet. Even if the printer is turned on, that's not a problem. Just unplug it and wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, go ahead and plug it back into the wall socket. This simply restarts your printer and does not delete any data. After doing this, try printing again and hopefully this time everything will be fixed. If you're still having the issue, no worry, here's what you need to do. So you'll need to turn on your printer, and even if yours does not have such a screen, it will have the same menu as I will show. You need to go into the settings menu. Once you're in general setup, press OK, then you should see maintenance, OK, and then you need to find print head cleaning. Press OK. Before pressing anything else, make sure you have some paper in the paper tray of the printer. Now you have to choose between black only, color only, or all. I suggest you choose all. This way you don't have to ask yourself which print head is clogged. So go ahead, press all. And now you have to choose between normal, strong, or strongest. When the printer does a print head cleaning, it will waste some ink. And depending how bad your problem is, you need to choose one of these options. If you do not see absolutely anything on your page, go ahead and select strongest. But if it's just some small white lines and the colors are faded, you can try normal or strong instead. Once you select one of these options, you're going to get this screen or something similar. And all you have to do is to press the right arrow at this point and the print head cleaning will start. It will last a few minutes and at the end this should solve your issue. Since most of the time when you get a blank page or maybe a faded page, it mostly means that some ink dried out in the print heads and you simply need to clean them. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.